DW, and I've got my Hatsan Blitz 22 cal, and do a little plinking with it today. And I've got a bag filled up with my pellets that are like damaged pellets. I have a lot of guns, so I just throw them all in a bucket, and they're all different weights and bent skirts and stuff. And we'll just shoot that at some bottles first. Then I'll sight the gun in and we'll shoot. See if we can get out a little distance shooting. It is pretty windy, but let's see what happens. Okay, there's the bottles. We'll load this bad boy up. Okay, here we go. Let's see where we're hitting. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. Throw another mag in. Get rid of these pellets here. That's it. That was 40 shots that quickly. I think this is probably the only gun in the world that can shoot that fast. So let me get this bad boy sighted in, and we'll do some shooting out at 40 and 50 yards. Okay, I think I'm pretty good on the sight in. So those targets here at 40 yards, these ones here. Let's see what we can hit. And I've got the JTS pellets, 22.07 grains. And these shoot out at around 980 feet per second. So let's see how we can do with it. Let's move it on out to 50 yards. And the wind is kind of howling here today, but these pellets are cruising pretty fast. I'm going to shoot that big steel plate and see where I'm hitting. Try it again. Okay, we're looking pretty good. Nice. Okay. Oh. Throw another mag in. And that's 60 shots on one fill so far. They had since the mag dropped the sight in and those shots there. Okay. See how we do on that big steel plate. Okay. It's 80 shots so far. So I'm going to refill the gun with air to keep it accurate. And we'll shoot out to 80 yards. I'll be right back. Okay, we're all loaded up and aired up. And there we are. Let's see if we can hit something at 80 yards. I haven't shot this gun in several months, so I'm going to be guessing on my holdover. Let's see what happens. Okay, we'll start over on the left there. Oh, okay. All right. Now I was holding a little too high. Here we go. There it is. All right. All right, let's bring it in here. And let's go over here. You can see that. There we are. Okay. And we've got another jug of water there, 27 yards. Let's just dump the mag on it. That's it. That's all of them. Alright guys, that's it for the Blitz. 22 cal, shooting the JTS 22.07s. And this guy gets a whole lot of shots, 80 accurate shots we got on that, on one fill. And I don't know how many more we would get, but the gun, pressure is 250 bar. And after 80 shots, we were down to 150 bar. And we were still in the green, so could have gone a little more with it. But if you have a lot of money for pellets, this is a fun gun to shoot. And that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching.